How do you ensure manufacturing facilities meet industry standards for quality and safety? This guide explores good manufacturing practice audits using eAuditor for efficient inspections. Learn how to maintain product quality, safety, and hygiene in your facility. Start every audit with solid documentation, recording essential details like date and location. Personnel hygiene is critical. Ensure proper PPE use and hygiene practices. Verify that employees are trained in GMP procedures and maintain up-to-date records. Document all personnel and training logs meticulously. Regularly check that safety protocols are understood and followed by all team members. Ensure facilities are clean, free from contamination, and structurally sound. Implement a robust pest control system with regular inspections. Maintain and calibrate equipment properly, adhering to cleaning schedules. Store equipment correctly when not in use to prevent damage. These steps are crucial for maintaining a compliant facility environment. Accurate documentation is the backbone of GMP compliance. Ensure all records are complete and accessible, following regulatory standards. Maintain thorough batch records with all necessary details. SOPs should be available and followed by all staff. Regularly review and update procedures to ensure ongoing compliance. Store raw materials under appropriate conditions to prevent spoilage. Label materials clearly with batch numbers and expiry dates. Follow FIFO procedures for inventory control. Segregate expired or rejected materials to avoid contamination. Effective management of raw materials is crucial for maintaining product quality. Store packaging materials in clean environments and inspect them for integrity. Ensure labels are accurate and include all necessary information. Use approved cleaning agents and maintain cleaning logs. Follow strict waste disposal procedures to ensure sanitation. These practices help prevent errors and maintain product safety. Structured audits ensure compliance with GMP standards in manufacturing facilities. Through eAuditor, maintain product quality, safety, and hygiene efficiently. Implement these practices for ongoing compliance and success.